Hey, what's up people, and welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 12, and in this lesson we are going to learn about arranging, splitting your open document, and also how to work with side-by-side tool. In previous lessons we got familiar with 5 of tools that are available to us in view menu, and now it's time to learn about window tools under view menu. First one first, new window option. Imagine you're working on a document and you want to view or edit two different parts of the same document. Once you click on new window, it opens a window with the current document you are working on. Boom. Any changes you make to either of these windows will be applied to your original document. Next tool, arrange all. This one will come in handy when you have a couple of documents open and you want to arrange all of them on your screen for better viewing them. The next option, split. This feature splits your page into halves, so you can see two sections of your document at the same time. It also enables you to look at one section of your document while editing another. For example, if you want to copy a word from one section of your text to another, you can easily do it. Feel free to resize these sections by clicking on this bar and dragging it. And once you're done, you can just click on remove split icon on the ribbon. Sometimes you would like to compare, view, or edit two documents line by line. Microsoft has thought that through for us. In order to use these features, first you need to have both of the documents open. Now we can click on side by side. As you can see, both of the documents open side by side. Again, feel free to click and resize or reposition these windows. In this mode, synchronous scrolling is enabled, so you can scroll through one document and it automatically scrolls through the other. Now, to turn that off, you can disable synchronous scrolling. Next one, reset window position. Remember I told you we can resize the windows? This one is to reverse that. It resets the window's size and position to default. Now to quit this mode, all we need to do is to click on window and click on view side by side. Back to normal. The last feature is going to be switch windows. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with the name of all your open Microsoft Word documents in it. The one that is checked is the document you're currently working on. It makes it easier if you have a couple of documents open and you would like to go back and forth among them. Okay, this is the end of this session. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Peace!